this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upstream O2 sensors on this Audi S4. These are going to be located on the back side of the engine. Let's get into it. I'm going to grab the engine cover and just pull it straight up. It's just held on by grommets. Now we're going to remove this hose just to prevent some of the coolant from coming out. I'm just going to use a hose pincher. If you have one of these tools, you can pinch off the hose. You don't need to, but just going to prevent some of the coolant from coming out. Just tighten that down. That's good. Now using a hose clamp tool, take the hose clamp, move that down. Just using a pick, just get underneath the hose, just loosen it up. Take that off, slide that out of the way. Take this screw out for the reservoir, use a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to grab the reservoir. You want to lift it up, and it's clipped in the back into the brackets. So lift up and pull forward. There we go. And underneath there's a connector. Just want to push on that connector, disconnect that, and we'll just slide this out of the way. Don't tip it, otherwise you're going to lose some coolant. If you follow the wire back, you can see where there's this heat wrap that wraps around the wires. It's just snapped in. So we're just gonna unsnap it, take that off. Now you can see the connector right here in the bracket. I'm gonna pull that connector out. You can disconnect it. I'm just gonna push on this tab, disconnect it. Now take a O2 sensor socket. This is a 22 millimeter with a slice in it. So you can get around the wire. There is this insulation. Just pull that up out of the way. All right, get on there. And we'll loosen it up. There we go, got it to loosen up. There we go. There's the old O2 sensor. Now take the new sensor, get this lined up. Get that started by hand. Now I'll tighten this down. We're going to torque this to 33 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Now I'll connect the connector. Lock it in place. Slide this into the bracket. All right, that's in the bracket. Now we'll put the heat shield on. Just wrap it around and snap it closed. And snap that in place. That's good. Now take the reservoir, get the back tabs lined up, raise that up, clip it in place. There we go. Then reach underneath. You want to take that connector, plug the level sensor in. And get this lined up. And put the screw in place. Tighten that down. Using hose clamp pliers, just move the clamp down. And if you put one of these hose pinchers on, you want to take that off. And take this cover, line it up in the back, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.